water, aqua, sodium lauroyl methyl isethionate, sodium lauroamphoacetate, glycerin, sodium chloride, disodium cocoamphodiacetate, Polysorbate 80, Acrylacyl Ascorbate, Thermus Thermophillus ferment, Rosmarinus Officinalis, Rosemary, leaf extract, Lavandula Angustifolia, Lavender, flower/leaf/stem extract, Achillea Millefolium, Yarrow, extract, Arnica montana flower extract, Chamomilla Recutita, Matricaria, flower extract, Symphytum Officinale, comfort, leaf exropyl chloride. Polyquaternium 67, sodium hydroxide, caprylyl glycol, phenoxyethanol, chlorphenazine, methylisothiazolinone, fragrance, parfum, copolymer, sodium methyl isethionate, PEG 8-dimethicon, acetyltyrosine, proline, lauric acid, citric acid, penthenyl, tocopheryl acetate, tetrahexyl detract, Anthemis nobilis, chamomile, flower extract, hydrolyzed vegetable protein, sodium hyaluronate, resveratrol, lauric acid soaps, trisodium ethylene diamine disuccinate, xanthan gum, styrene/acrylates copolymer. Allantoin, sodium PCA, butylene glycol, propanediol, adenosine triphosphate, synthetic wax, triethyl citrate, hydroxyethyl bihenamide. Water, aqua, sodium lauroyl methyl isethionate, sodium lauroamphoacetate, glycerin, sodium chloride, disodium cocoamphodiacetate, Polysorbate 80, acrylates copolymer, sodium methyl isethionate, PEG 8-dimethicon, acetyltyrosine, proline, lauric acid, citric acid, penthenyl, tocopheryl acetate, tetrahexyl 6.7 fluid ounce/200 ml gently cleanses while helping to infuse dry or sensitive skin with moisture. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.